Hello guys, good morning. So today I have come up with a very important topic, that is how to get a job in Arab countries from your home country. How this topic came into mind because a lot of my friends on social networks and my childhood friends and my college friends, relatives and the friend I met somewhere, they all send me some messages, emails and send their CVs and all, that please look for a job for me. Dear, I can understand your present situation, especially during this corona period, that you may have lost your job, or you might be going through a tough time. I can understand your problem, maybe some of you have not get a job from last 2-3 years, and then this corona came. I can understand all your situations, and it is really a very sad moment for all of us, to the entire world. It is a sad moment. So in this video, what I will tell you, that instead of I know that I cannot provide you a job, I cannot help you with the job, but what I can do is, instead of helping you to get a job, I will give you the ideas how you can get a job, because I also did not get any help from anyone while I came to Gulf to have my first job in Qatar, then second job in Kuwait. So there are a lot of guys who did the same before me. So I will tell you what idea or what principle they applied, or what are the tips and tricks they have in their mind, and how they have succeeded to get a job in Gulf countries. So tip number 1 is, if you are already a graduate, or if you are already a diploma holder, or if you are already a matriculation or 10th standard pass guy, or whoever you are, if you need a job in Arab countries, what you have to do is to make an account on job searching platforms like naukrigulf.com, monstergulf.com, monster.com, Indeed Gulf. So what you have to do is just go on Google and write jobs in Kuwait, jobs in Dubai, jobs in Oman, jobs in Saudi Arabia, and a lot of website will come. So you can go there and register yourself. Write everything, each detail of you. Okay, your name, your photos, upload your CV, but the CV should be updated one. Okay, and there the keywords are more important. Okay, just write the keywords. If you are mechanical engineer, write there mechanical engineer. If you are from construction, write construction. If you are from maintenance, write maintenance. And just be active on that account. Just don't open the account and leave it that people will contact you. No, provide your phone number, provide your email address, everything, and be active. Start looking for jobs there, just by searching from your job requirement. Okay, and apply there, because the employer will see, and they will contact you that this guy is actively looking for a job. And in that option, there will be option when you are available, right there immediately, because people look for, usually HR and human resources, they look for the guy who are immediately available. Okay, this is the first idea. Okay, the second thing is, ask your relative, friends, or any contact who is working in Gulf, or who is working in any company in Arab countries, to help you, to assist you to get a job. What they will do is, they will get your CV, and if they have any vacancy in his company, he will just forward your CV, and he will give his reference, that I know this guy and he's good, he's expert. To give a reference, your reference to any HR or any organization, the guy must be working for a long time, or maybe they should have a good reputation in the company, or maybe they should be holding they must be holding a good position like manager, or a top level engineer, or maybe a site in charge, or something like this. Then only it is possible. But usually it is less possible, because usually this reference things, it works when the candidate is available locally, not out of Arab countries. If they are available in Arab countries, like if they are available in Kuwait, if they are available locally in Dubai, of course this reference thing works very fast, very easily. Okay, but if you are outside of Arab country, or if you are outside of Middle East, no, it will not work. And the point number 3 is to come to any Arab country on a visit visa, and with proper health insurance. Okay, come to any country like Dubai, Kuwait, Oman, anywhere, I know many of my friend got job like this, and it is again very expensive, but it works. Okay, so you can come on a visit visa. You can get a visit visa from India or from Pakistan, from Bangladesh, whichever country you belong to, and you can come to any Gulf country and then go and attend interview. There will be a lot of interviews posted online in local websites, and those websites you can follow. If you come to any country, you will realize, when you come, you will meet people and you will realize what are the local websites famous in every country. Okay, apart from Naukri Gulf and all. Okay, so go to those local websites and go to the local agents, local consultancy here in this Gulf country, and attend as much interview as you can. Okay, but only attend interviews, don't start working on your visit visa, because it is illegal to work on visit visa. Okay, visiting means you just come here to meet your friends, family, relative, or for some work. Okay, until you get the work permit, you cannot work. It is illegal to work in any country in the world, right? So same here, just come on visit visa with proper health insurance and try to attend interviews. When you crack an interview, just exit the country. Okay, just exit the country same day or within 2-3 days, and wait for your employer to provide you work visa. Okay, they will give you work visa. It will take maybe 1 to 3 months. Okay, it takes time, but they will send you the work visa, and then you have to go to a medical center for medical checkup, and then you can come back to where you got the offer. So this is the third thing. The fourth thing is very reliable. This is what I followed, and there are a lot of people in India, in Bangladesh, in Pakistan and nearby country of Arab country, they followed this. The fourth point is to go to a job consultancy. This is very reliable, and it works 100%. If you are ready to go out of your comfort zone, if you are ready to leave your home to search for a job, then it is the best idea. Go and visit consultancy. If you are not living near a consultancy, of course you have to go out and visit personally the job consultancies. Okay, there are a lot of job consultancies which allow you to attend interview and who send you to get a job in Gulf. So just go to those consultancies. There are a lot of consultancies in Mumbai, Maharashtra, in Vadodara, Gujarat, or Baroda also people tells. So go to Vadodara, Gujarat, or Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and Cochin, Kerala, or Chennai, Tamil Nadu. You can go to New Delhi, you can go to Bangalore, you can go to Hyderabad. All these metropolitan cities has a lot of consultancies where you can go and search a local newspaper there. In the newspaper, you will have a lot of consultancies number, contact number. Also, they publish the vacancies with vacancy detail, that I have these mechanical engineers vacancy, electrical engineers vacancy, mechanical supervisor vacancy, civil engineer vacancy, civil supervisor, maybe designer vacancy. They publish all the things, maybe a programmer vacancy. So all the vacancies that they have, that consultancy have, they publish in the website. Okay, sorry, in the paper, in the newspaper, local newspaper, and also in the website. Okay, so you can go there, and the address will be given in that newspaper. Okay, where to meet. Okay, their address will be given. So just go to address, submit your CV, and they will tell you when there is interview, and what you have to do is just go on that interview day. There will be a long queue, of course, but you have to be patient enough. If you want to get something, you have to suffer. Okay, you have to work hard, right? You have to go out of your comfort zone. So go to consultancy. Believe me, this works for many people. I think 99% of the people who is working in Gulf country, who is working in Arab countries, have got job this way. They visited a consultancy, and consultancy will arrange an interview for you, and they will charge you. Of course, they have some consultancy charges. Okay, but they will let you attend interview with the client coming from different companies to hire people. Okay, so you will get a good chance. There is a good chance that you will get a job from this way. Okay, so this is the best way, believe me. Just follow this. Okay, go to Mumbai. My idea is just go to Mumbai, because most of the companies come there. Okay, so just go to Mumbai, take a apartment on rent, take a lodge, take a hostel, go to Oyo, and just give yourself 3 months of time. okay, that in this 3 to 4 months I will attend all the interviews comes in the newspaper, and then just actively participate in all the interviews regardless of it is higher post or lower position, okay, because your motto is to get a job, to start earning, right? So go and attend all the interviews, and I'm sure that you will get your job in either one attempt, second attempt, or maybe in 10th attempt, maybe in 50th attempt, but you have to keep on attempting to get the job, okay? And the fifth point I want to discuss here is there are a lot of job agent, job agent. Actually, they are agent of the same consultancies, but they are working outside, They also charge some extra money apart from the office. But these guys are, some are genuine, some are fake. But try to get a genuine guys out when you go and visit the consultancy, or maybe some of your friend knows some agent. So get the contact detail of those guys, and these guys will tell you the exact vacancy, the exact years of experience they need, the exact kind of candidate they need. They will give you a deep knowledge, inside knowledge of the vacancy, so that you should be well prepared, okay, that what you have to speak there and how the interview is going to be, okay. So this is a good chances that you will get your job. So these all the five advices I have given you that I have followed personally, but the fourth one worked for me. The fourth one worked for many people. Maybe 99% of the people come from this fourth point that I have discussed, to go and visit consultancy in India. Whether you are in Mumbai, whether you are in Gujarat, whether you are in all the metropolitan cities have some consultancies. So just go and visit there, okay? So, and the last thing I want to tell you, I want to motivate you guys, don't be just dependent on others, because it is really a bad thing to be dependent on others and push them, oh, please find me a job, please find me a job, please, when are you calling me, please, when? No, bro, no, guys, you in this life, you have to be smart enough, you have to be self-dependent. Otherwise, you may get one job, but what about another job? Every time you will request others? No, you have to be self-dependent. Just go and try. I am sure that if a dumb guy, if a normal guy like me can get a job, my first job in Qatar, then second job in Kuwait, of course you can. The only problem is people do not want to leave their comfort zone. You have to be ready to get any opportunities comes into your way, because your motto is to start earning, to support your family, to support your life, okay? It is not about just you. If you will get an engineer job, then only you will come to Gulf and work. No, if you get a supervisor, if you get a foreman, if you get a technician, if you get a helper, you just have to get any job to support your living, to support your family, right? And then after 1 or 2 years of experience, you will realize the environment here. You will develop a lot of contact, and that contact will help you when you are already available in the Gulf country, as I told you, because it is easy for any HR or for any admin or for any company to hire you locally, okay? So just get any opportunity comes to you in your way, okay? Comes in your way. Hope this video is a little long, but hope this will help you a lot. And I'm also going to start my Hindi channel, Afsar Alam Hindi, and I will upload the same video in Hindi, so you can go and watch and subscribe that channel as well, okay? So all the best for your life. See you soon.